Hi, my name is Brian. Welcome to this session on career roles across the policy ecosystem. In this chapter, we'll explore the wide range of careers in public policy, from grassroots activism to international diplomacy. You'll see how policy isn't just made in capitals, it's shaped by researchers, mobilizers, and changemakers everywhere. Slide 1. Grassroots policy workers. Grassroots policy workers connect directly with local communities to influence change from the bottom up. They listen to people's concerns, organize civic action, and make sure policies reflect real needs. Strong communication, local understanding, and leadership are vital in these roles. They form the human bridge between citizens and policymakers. Slide 2. Pathways and skills for grassroots policy work. If you're passionate about working closely with communities, this path might be for you. Many start as volunteers and grow into roles like program managers or policy advocates. Degrees in political science, sociology, or community development are helpful. Nonprofits, local governments, and international development agencies offer great career opportunities in this space. Slide 3. Community organizers and mobilizers. Community mobilizers are experts at bringing people together. They build local leadership and civic capacity, enabling residents to speak up and act on issues like housing, health, or safety. Through events, discussions, and campaigns, they turn isolated concerns into collective action. Mobilizers empower ordinary citizens to shape their communities. Slide 4. Training and career paths for community mobilizers. To become a mobilizer, training helps a lot. Workshops and degrees in social work or public policy equip you with tools to organize and advocate. You might begin as a field intern and rise to manage large-scale programs. NGOs, advocacy coalitions, and even faith-based groups frequently employ community organizers. Slide 5. Policy Research Associates and Fellows. Policy research associates gather and analyze data to shape better decision-making. They work at think tanks, NGOs, or within governments. Their tasks include writing reports, conducting impact assessments, and reviewing policy effectiveness. They use tools like SPSS, R, or in vivo to extract insights from both numbers and stories. Slide 6. Fellowships and career tracks. Fellowships like Rhodes, Fulbright, or Brookings offer entry into serious policy research. Fellows often become analysts, advisors, or directors over time. Core skills include research design, public speaking, and policy writing. Fellowships can be career launchers, giving you access to elite mentors, networks, and global learning environments early on. Slide 7. Public policy consultants. Consultants in public policy provide strategic advice to governments, companies, and NGOs. They help design new policies or improve old ones. A consultant might write feasibility studies, evaluate reforms, or suggest implementation plans. Their work requires both policy expertise and business sense, combining analysis with client-driven thinking. Slide 8. Becoming a policy consultant. Policy consultants usually hold advanced degrees in public policy, law, business, or economics. They also need sharp analytical thinking, client management, and communication skills. Many start at think tanks or through internships. Over time, they work at major firms like McKinsey, Deloitte, or Rand, influencing big decisions behind the scenes. Slide 9. Monitoring and Evaluation, M&E. Specialists. M&E specialists track whether policies are working effectively. They design systems to measure progress and collect data to see what's going well or not. These professionals analyze results and provide reports that help improve performance. Their goal is to ensure accountability and transparency in public or nonprofit programs. Slide 10. Skills and pathways in monitoring and evaluation. To become an M&E expert, training in statistics, economics, or development studies is essential. You'll use tools like Excel, Stata, or Tableau to visualize and interpret data. Careers begin with assistant roles and progress to senior advisory positions in the UN, NGOs, or government. Accuracy and ethical reporting are crucial. Slide 11. Policy lobbyists and advocacy managers. Lobbyists and advocacy managers help shape laws by influencing legislators. They use data, stories, and strategy to promote a cause or organization. These professionals also manage public campaigns and coalitions. Sectors include health, environment, education, and labor. Their work blends research, storytelling, and relationship building to create political momentum. Slide 12. Skills and career tracks in lobbying and advocacy. Successful advocates often study law, public administration, or political science. Public speaking, negotiation, and coalition building are vital skills. You might begin as a campaign intern and grow into a government relations director. Lobbying certifications also help. This role is perfect if you enjoy persuading others and shaping public conversations. Slide 13. Regulatory Affairs. Specialists. Regulatory affairs professionals ensure organizations follow laws and industry rules. They work closely with regulators, prepare compliance documents, and monitor legal updates. These roles are common in healthcare, energy, and finance. Their work ensures safety, ethics, and transparency, keeping businesses aligned with public interest and government standards. Slide 14. Skills and certification in regulatory affairs. Degrees in law, public health, or pharmacy are helpful for regulatory roles. You'll need skills in legal analysis, document tracking, and policy interpretation. Certifications from RAPS, Regulatory Affairs Professional Society, are valued globally. This career suits those who enjoy rules, precision, and making sure systems work responsibly. Slide 15. Policy entrepreneurs and innovators. Policy entrepreneurs are disruptors. They design new ways to deliver public services or solve systemic issues. They experiment with civic tech, digital tools, or new institutions. Often they work in climate action, social innovation, or urban reform. They combine creativity and analytics to build models that can reshape entire systems. Slide 16. Innovating in policy practice. Innovation labs, startups, and civic tech hubs are great places to begin. You'll use design thinking, behavioral science, or rapid prototyping to test ideas. If you're digitally savvy, curious, and passionate about impact, this space is for you. Institutions like GovTech and Ashoka Fellowships support such work globally. Slide 17. Global policy professionals. Global policy professionals work on diplomacy, treaties, and development policy at institutions like the UN or World Bank. They represent nations or causes in international negotiations. Their work affects global trade, climate agreements, and human rights. This role combines national interests with cross-border cooperation and multilateral governance. Slide 18. Careers in global policy. Start by studying international relations or development studies at institutions like LSE or SIPA. Entry points include internships at UN agencies, fellowships, or work at embassies. Skills in policy analysis, global economics, languages, and cultural awareness are key. Global policy requires both ambition and a deep sense of justice. Slide 19. Parliamentary and legislative researchers. These researchers support lawmakers by giving them accurate, unbiased information on bills and issues. They write memos, summarize policies, and forecast impacts. Their research helps MPs and committees make informed decisions. Whether it's drafting legislation or explaining global trends, their behind-the-scenes work strengthens democratic lawmaking. Slide 20. Career paths in legislative research. Start with degrees in law, political science, or public policy. Entry-level positions include research assistant roles in parliament, state assemblies, or think tanks. Strong writing and critical thinking are must-haves. Over time, you could lead research teams or even advise ministries. It's ideal for those who love depth and detail.